Scanning and repairing drive C. I must completing the percentage. You can see 5%. This percentage. So we want to reach it up to 100%. Let's see now it's running fast. So now 100% is completed. Preparing automatic repair. Diagnosing your PC. After that, it is written automatic repair. Your PC did not start correctly. Press restart to restart your PC, which can sometimes fix the problem. You can also press advanced option to try other options to repair your PC. So if you press the restart button, sometimes your PC will face the problem. And if we click the advanced option, then we can see these three options. That is, one is continue, that is continue, that is exit, and continue to Windows 10, that is we can use our Windows 10 OS without any repairing. Then another one is the troubleshoot, that is reset your PC or see advanced option, and the third one is turn off your PC. So the second one is for normally for the troubleshoot, reset your PC or see advanced options. So again it's showing reset this PC and advanced options. So if you reset this PC, that you choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall Windows. The advanced option here, it is you can see all these things. That is the system restore, that is used as restore point recorder on your PC to restore Windows. Then startup repair, that is fix problem that keep Windows from loading. Uninstall updates, that is remove recently installed quality or feature updates from Windows. Then another one is command prompt, that is use the command prompt for advanced troubleshooting. Then system image recovery, that is the recover Windows using a specific system image file. And startup settings, that is change Windows startup behavior. And if we choose the startup repair, then it can fix problems that keep Windows from